Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a fun unboxing. I mean, it was fun for me. And I'm going to go ahead and show you my Dagne Dover bag. Unboxing it and pretty much showing you guys how it looks straight out of the box. I do have it here. I have been using it for quite some time and I actually really love this bag. The only negative I would say is that lint sticks to this like a magnet. So I am going to be unboxing the Dagne Dover Dakota backpack. This is the large size. I would say that the only difference between the medium and the large is obviously the size, but also the fact that it does have a back zipper. So this one does have an extra zipper on the back to add a few items. I don't have anything in there, but it would be good to, put anything extra in it. I do use this every day, so I really do love this backpack. If you want to go ahead and see me unbox it, then keep on watching. It comes in this dust bag. The bag itself looks like this, neoprene. It does have plastic. Front pocket. Front pocket has pencil holders. Inside comes with an inflatable bag. It does come with what they put on the site, a shoe bag for your shoes. It's pretty big in length, so I kind of like this for other things, maybe not my shoes. The bag itself is pretty sturdy and heavy. It has two pockets, one on this side, one on this side. On the inside, there is a little bag that comes inside. As you can see, place for a laptop in the back. Does come with zippers on the side to put in any small items, as well as this side. The back does have a zipper. It could also fit more things, along with a little pouch. Two side pockets, one on this side, one on this side, and that's pretty much it. For the look of it, it does look like it's easy to clean. I would say the only downside would be these kind of wrinkles, but I will keep you guys updated to see if these do go out or if any other wrinkles do appear on it. That is how it looks. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and hopefully you guys like this unboxing. I will do some more because I buy so much stuff. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video.